Welcome to Loyalist College, Toronto campus live one-to-one student session. My brief introduction, as you can see, I'm a member of IRCC and basically I'm authorized by IRCC, our regulatory body CCIC, which is College of Immigration and Citizenship Consultants. I'm a member of that organization which allows licensed immigration consultants to provide legal immigration advice. That's very important, legal immigration advice regarding any immigration matters, particularly students. So I specialize in student immigration matters, and I've been doing it for more than 10 years. My office is in Mississauga, and this is my direct number. And these are some services we provide to our students. We provide education counseling, help them to select proper college and program, and then help them in assistance of visa lodgement because I'm authorized. So we file their study visa file as well. And after getting visa, we help them get passport stamped and we provide them pre-departures sessions as well. And once they are here, we help them to any issues they have in job search, study permit extensions, COP, work permits, PGWP or PR visa. So our company offers end-to-end services from beginning until they get PR. And the office is in India, Haryana, Ludhiana, Hyderabad. I'm in Toronto. My WhatsApp number, my email address. So if anyone of your friends back home, they like to come to Canada for study, we can help them from getting offer letter until they come here and apply for PR one day. So this is my brief introduction, and I'm very proud also to say that I'm connected with the Loyalist College. Given my experience in this particular area in student matters, Loyalist College has requested me to provide immigration webinars to their students like yourself. So you're lucky to find this very valuable services on behalf of Loyalist College. So I will be opening that question answer session. I think Richa was in first. So yes, Richa, please go ahead, introduce yourself, which program you are studying and which campus.
Yes, hi Bash, hi Navjot. Actually, I'm in cybersecurity course. I took admission in January 21 intake. So currently I'm in term three. It will be over this week. So from next month, I will have my co-op, fortunately, because I have given all the many interviews and I'm waiting for the results.
Okay.
So my question is, because as co-op work permit says we can work full time, but if we are on co-op, can we continue doing that 20 hours job that we are doing this with our studies right now?
Good question. So your question is that while you're doing your co-op, are you allowed to work additional part-time hours, right?
Exactly.
Just want to understand the question. So Navdeep, do you understand the question?
Yeah, I know. And I understood this one.
So yes, you are allowed to work 20 hours off campus in addition to your co-op, either paid or unpaid, doesn't matter. But it has to be different employer, not with the same employer, because co-op employer is very specific, right? Just to complete your co-op component of your studies. But in addition to that, you can work with different non-co-op employer 20 hours off campus per week.
Understood. So, as in that, if we are working for co-op, let's say I'm in cybersecurity, I'm working for an IT firm Monday to Friday. So Saturday, Sunday, I can work with other employer as the part-time, and it should not be related to my course. I can work anywhere, like the way we are doing it right now.
Yeah, it's not about immigration regulation does not specify which days you can work. It says per week. So as long as you are working 20
Yes.
hours per week, you can do Saturday, Sunday, 10 hours each, or in full week, whatever, regardless of days, it's 20 hours per week.
Understood.
Question.
That's my only question. Now Navjot can ask his. Maybe whatever
Okay.
question he has, and they are
Yes,
somewhere in my mind,
Navdeep.
and I cannot grab.
Thank you, Richa. I appreciate. So Navdeep, what's your program, sir? Can you introduce yourself?
Morning everybody. So
Right.
my program is wireless information networking, and I'm a
Wireless.
student
Okay.
at
Okay.
I'm a student
So
at Loyalist. My
what you have
campus
done?
is in
What you have done in back home? Electronics, engineering. BTech?
No, I've done bachelor's in computer applications back in India, and I
Okay,
have 1 year experience from India
very good.
related to this field.
Mhm.
So here, as I mentioned, I'm a wireless information networking student at Loyalist, and my campus is in North York.
Mhm.
So,
I'll
so
be
my
coming next week to the campus. So hopefully
yeah,
I may see you guys. Please go ahead. Continue. Question.
yeah. So currently, I have done with my co-op. Like this was the 4th semester, and the last
Okay.
date of my co-op was 15th of April, and the last date of 15th of April. And the last date of the semester, according to the college, I asked Anna, and she said like it will be like 22nd of April. So
Oh, okay.
so my very first question is, if I'm eligible to work during this term, like from starting from 15th of April to 22, if so, how many hours per week? And like, can you just let me know about this thing first?
Okay. So, Richa, do you understand the question?
Yes, Mr. Ali, I understood.
Okay. So, yes, in this particular week, like from 15th until 22nd.
Mm-hmm.
So, your COP is finished, I assume, right? On
Yeah,
15th.
yeah.
Yes. So, you can continue working 20 hours.
Okay, till 22, right?
Yes, till 22. And as a
Okay.
matter of fact, until you get official notification, until that time, not only until 22.
Uh, I think it what will be what is like the official
So what happens once you on 22nd April, your
mm-hmm,
program completes and then you
mm-hmm.
are off from school, right?
Yeah.
So what happens then? The college will take time to prepare their transcripts, official documents that
Mm-hmm,
you are graduate. It may take 4 or 5 weeks.
mm-hmm.
So let's say it comes on 15th May. Until that time, you are allowed to work 20 hours off campus.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Understood, sir?
Uh,
Still
yeah,
confusion.
yeah. I got that one.
So let's not worry
And
about 15 to 22. Let's worry from 15th until you get official notification from Loyalist College.
okay.
So
So
until
I'm
that
eligible
time,
to work part-time only.
20 hours only. And once you graduate, once they give you official documentation, at that
Mm-hmm.
time you should discontinue working. Zero
Okay.
hours. You're
Yep.
not supposed to work until
Until I
unless you apply for PGWP.
okay.
So once you apply PGWP, then you can start working full-time hours. You have an implied status. It's an immigration status until you
Mm-hmm.
get a decision from IRCC for your PGWP application. Till
Okay.
that time, you can work full-time. But before that, in between now and until you notified, 20 hours.
Okay. And one more question, like, does it matter like for the which employer we are working during this gap, like from
No, no,
15
no.
until I'm good? Does it matter?
Doesn't matter. You have done with COP, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Richa's situation different. Richa is doing COP, so she's limited, like 20
Yeah.
hours non-COP. But in your case, you have done, so you are free to work anywhere.
Yeah, because I have like heard many of this misleading things like they said like you can't continue with the or you can continue with the employer you're working with. You can't apply it for some other job during this period. So I was just like these were like my concern. Like I don't know like whether should we work with the same employer or we can apply for some other job during this term.
IRCC
Yeah.
regulations, they only talk about number of hours per week. They do not
Okay.
limit you how many employers. That's up to you.
Oh, okay.
Technically speaking, you have 20 hours.
Yeah.
Practically speaking, you can't work 4 or 5 employers. Like
Mm-hmm.
it's very limited
Yeah,
hours.
yeah, yeah.
So
Yep.
maybe 1 or 2 max, right?
Yeah. So
Or maybe
yeah,
one. It's up to you.
yeah. So yeah, that's a very question. Yeah. I think
Questions, Richa?
I'm sorry.
Any more questions?
Yes, I have one more question. So as Navjot has asked, like if we cannot work anywhere once we are done with the studies and we have not applied for PGWP during this period, we cannot work anywhere. Like from the last day of college till the day we apply for PGWP.
You can work off campus 20 hours.
After the studies as well, like if
Yes,
in August
yes,
okay,
yes, yes. If your study permit
okay,
is valid,
Of course. Let me add
okay.
one thing. Because I just Google this thing first. I'm sorry if you are getting some noises from my
Let,
background. There's some
let's not Google things.
no, yeah, just to Google it, and it says like until we get the final grades, we can work
So there you
part
go.
time, right? So yeah,
Same thing. See,
and that was
I don't provide guidance to students by reading Google.
no,
I
it was like
for many years I have
yes,
experience.
it was some government website. I went through that, so I think the thing you are saying is the same as I read the transcript. We can consider that as the final grades, so we can work till then.
Yeah, sure. So that's what I told you. So
Yeah.
you can work. And any other questions?
Yes, so in case like wherever we are doing our co-op and that company hires us for
Okay.
future aspect as well. So we also then also we have to limit our hours to 20 hours till the time we get our PGWP,
Yes.
or we apply for it.
Yes.
Okay. So the
20 hours.
company should be aware about it that we cannot work full time during this period.
No. See, once the co-op is finished, you're done, right?
No, in case the same company hires us,
I'm telling you,
wants to
20
continue
hours.
with us.
20 hours.
Okay, so we have to inform that to the company, or they are aware about the rules?
I don't know about them. You have to tell them you can't work full time until you
Okay.
apply for a PGWP.
All right, understood. So we have to make sure everything from our side.
Of course.
It depends on them if they wants to continue or not.
Students
Yes.
are subject to a lot of conditions and restrictions, right? And
Exactly.
it is for them to watch all those conditions. They don't expect someone else for them to watch.
And can you tell me like how much time does it take for like I'm only about Loyalist that to give us the transcripts and everything?
4 to 6 weeks, I think, on average.
Okay. Okay, understood.
So more questions?
No, not from my side.
Okay, Mr. Nev, how did you find this session?
Yeah, it was great. Yeah, you answered all of my questions. I have one more thing here. I see like you can help us to apply for the work permit if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, that's it. These services we offer for our students when we bring them from India.
Mm-hmm. So just in case if I have any question in future related to that, can I reach out to you?
You can contact me. You have my number, and but there is a paid service. Obviously, your agent who applied for your study permit, I'm sure they're not helping you with all these things, no, right?
Yeah.
Why not?
So yeah, no worries. It just just to confirm, like if I have any queries or anything.
No. My question to you is: your agent who applied for your visa, are they helping you with these things?
I don't think so. They will be helping me with the work permit thing.
Why not?
I don't know.
Why not? They applied for your study visa. They should be helping you until you get PR.
Yeah, they were in India. I don't know if they have any.
It doesn't matter India
here.
or what. If someone is authorized to practice, they can practice from anywhere.
Okay, then I'll reach out to them maybe.
Yeah, make sure they are a member of CCIC. They are authorized by IRCC. There's a regulatory body, CCIC. I'm a member of, only these people can provide you legal immigration advice and represent you with the Canadian High Commission. But anyway, if you know anyone back home, they need end-to-end services from offer letter to PR, you have my number.
Okay, no worries.
So, students, it was wonderful knowing both of you. Thank you so much for joining this session. And if still any questions, you can WhatsApp me.
Yeah, okay.
Sure.
Take care, guys. Have a good one.
Yeah, have a good one. Yeah, take care. Bye.